Alright guys, I got a Hyundai Genesis right here, 2015. This is same thing as 2010 up to 2016 four-door sedan. I don't know if the coupe is the same thing, but I know same thing with the Elantra 06 to 2012. On this video, I'm gonna just quickly show you how to disconnect this outside door handle. Okay, I'm gonna quickly show you that. So make sure I get your key fob and pop that key out like this. And there's a little slot right here. Just have to push that key in. Just like that. Peel it off from the bottom. And this will come out. So there's tabs right here on the top. And then tabs on the side. And there's nothing on the bottom. And then that's when you put your key in here to unlock the latch. So you can go in. If the key fob failed, if the key fob battery is out, no more juice on it, you can manually open your door. Okay, so that's out. And just continue taking out this door lock cylinder. We'll take out the door handle is next. So I'm doing this video because the problem with this is the latch, it's not locking. So on the next video, I'm gonna take out the door panel, the window regulator, the motor, so I could replace the latch right here. That will be on the next video. So continue. There's a little cup right here, like a rubber. Peel that off. You can see the bolt right there. You need to take out that bolt. I just use what is this? 5/16 socket. Just gonna take it out. All right, just use a pick tool right here to push that bolt out so it's not sitting on the hole. And then now you go back to the side right here, push this housing towards the front. And there we go. So that bolt is screwed right there to lock it in place. Okay, this is where you put the key, and then this will turn to lock and unlock. So put this on the side. And then next, this handle right here. This is easy on this side now. So you basically slide it back towards the vehicle like that. And then you pull it out. There you go. And there's gonna be a wire. There's a gasket right there. Make sure that gasket stay, or you can take it out. There's a wire right there. I disconnect this already. I was working on this a couple days ago. I got the panel out and disconnect the wire. So there you go. You disconnect that wire from that connector right there. That's how you take out the outside door handle on this Hyundai Genesis. That's it. Thanks for watching.